Hello! Today we are going to replace a battery in this iPhone 14 Pro. You might ask why the battery health indicator is at 89%. Unfortunately, that is not accurate and the phone dies pretty fast. So, in today's video, we are going to replace the battery with an original Apple part. As every other repair, we need to get inside the phone. So start unscrewing the two screws at the bottom and then place the phone onto a heat pad. In past, you couldn't buy Apple original parts. That changed in 2021, where Apple self-service was introduced. The parts are still expensive, but at least you can buy them. And here is how it looks. The battery comes in white box and plastic tray. The kit also includes replacement screws. You are supposed to replace all the screws you touch. You can also buy original display adhesives and replacement bottom screws, both for fairly cheap. For anyone wondering, the price of the battery was $52 and additional $2 for the display adhesive with the screws. Now it's time to open the phone. Place it in the opener, apply isopropyl alcohol around the edges and open the phone. The most dangerous part of the repair is now done, so now it is time for the next step. We need to remove the shield covering the connectors. While removing the shield, by some accident, the proximity sensor flex cable has sticked up to the shield. So the only flex cables that we need to disconnect is from the display and from the battery. After disconnecting the display, I removed the proximity sensor flex cable that was sticked up to the shield. To make the battery replacement easier, I will remove the Taptic engine and the loudspeaker. The Taptic engine is held by one tricky screw, so we need to remove that first, and then we can disconnect the flex cable. The adhesive that holds the battery is not original because I have already tampered with the phone before, so it is easier to remove the battery. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. And the battery is now removed. I removed the display adhesive off camera because it takes a lot of time. Right before we install the new battery, I will install back the Taptic engine and the loudspeaker. The next thing I did was that I installed the display adhesive, and I should have waited. I should have installed the battery first and then the display adhesive. Fortunately, everything was okay, but it complicated the job a little bit more for me. Now it was actually time to install the new battery. You can see that the battery has its white border on the top, and it is a bracket that helps with positioning the battery. Remove the plastic film on the back of the battery and put the battery inside the phone. After the battery is installed, press it into place. And now we can remove the white bracket from the battery. It is held in by adhesive strips, basically the same way the battery is mounted to the device. After removing the white bracket, I can see that there is a small wrinkle on the battery, so I smoothed it out with a spudger. Now we are almost done with the repair. Connect up the display and the proximity flex cable. Install the connector bracket and install the new screws we've received with the battery. Close up the phone and install the brand new bottom screws. And the only thing that needs to be done now is the battery configuration. If you go to the parts and service section, we are prompted to configure the battery. So restart the phone. After the phone boots to the diagnostics mode, we can follow the steps. The battery is recognized as genuine and we configure it. Now when the device boots up, if we go to the parts and service section, the battery is recognized as genuine part and the battery health is at 100%. This is it for today, see you next week, bye.